You have 12 unfinished projects right now, don't you? A half-written novel, a course you paid for but never completed, that business idea sitting in your notes app from 6 months ago, a workout routine that lasted exactly 4 days. Here's the brutal truth. Starting is the easy part. Anyone can start. It's exciting, it's new, it feeds your ego. But finishing? That's where 95% of people quit. And it's not because you're lazy or lack discipline. It's because you've been following the wrong system this entire time. Let me prove it. Thomas Edison didn't just tinker with one light bulb idea. He ran thousands of experiments and saw them through. J.K. Rowling didn't just scribble the first chapter of Harry Potter. She finished the entire manuscript while broke and rejected by 12 publishers. Finishing is what separates dreamers from doers. So how do you actually become someone who finishes? Here's the system that works. Step 1. Kill the shiny object syndrome. You know why you don't finish? Because halfway through, something newer and shinier shows up. A better idea, a cooler project, and suddenly your current thing feels boring and pointless. Your brain is addicted to the dopamine hit of starting something new, that initial rush, that feeling of possibility. But the middle is ugly. It's slow. It's where the real work happens, and that's exactly where you bail. So here's the rule. One project at a time. That's it. No exceptions. Pick the one thing that matters most right now and refuse to start anything else until it's done. Write it down, put it somewhere you'll see it every single day. I am finishing X before I start anything new. And when that shiny new idea pops up, because it will, write it in a someday list and forget about it. Future you can deal with it. Present you has one job. Finish what you started. Step 2. Make the goal so small, it's embarrassing. Most people fail because their goals are too big. I'm going to write a book. Okay, great. That's 200 pages. How's that working out for you? Here's what actually works. Make your daily goal so laughably small that you can't say no. Don't aim for write a chapter. Aim for write 100 words. Don't say work out for an hour. Say do 10 push-ups, because momentum beats motivation every single time. Once you write those 100 words, you'll probably write 200. Once you do those 10 push-ups, you'll probably do 20. But if you set the bar at perfection, you'll never even start. And 0 is always worse than something. I used to tell myself I'd edit videos for 2 hours every night. Guess what happened? I got overwhelmed and did nothing. Then I switched it. Just open the project file. That's it. Once it was open, I'd naturally start working. Some nights I'd only do 10 minutes. Other nights I'd go for 2 hours. But I never missed a day because the bar was so low I couldn't fail. Step 3. Use the 2-day rule. Life happens. You'll miss a day. You'll get sick, busy, distracted. That's fine. The real mistake is what you do next. Here's the rule. You can miss 1 day, but never 2 in a row. Miss 1 workout? Fine. Miss 2? You've started a pattern. Skip 1 writing session? Okay. Skip 2? You're no longer a writer who took a break. You're someone who quit. Why does this work? Because 1 missed day is just life. 2 missed days becomes a new habit. And once you break the streak, your brain starts negotiating. Well, I already missed 3 days. What's 1 more? Don't let that voice win. The 2-day rule keeps you honest without demanding perfection. It's flexible enough to be realistic, but strict enough to keep you moving forward and support your self-growth. Step 4. Set a finish line, not just a starting line. Here's where most people mess up. They start something without defining what done actually looks like. I'm going to get in shape. Okay, what does that mean? When will you know you've succeeded? I'm going to start a side hustle. Cool. What's the first milestone that counts as finished? If you don't define the finish line, you'll wander in circles forever, never feeling like you've accomplished anything. So right now, finish this sentence. This project is done when... For a book, maybe it's when I've written 50,000 words and sent it to 1 editor. For a course, maybe it's when I've completed all modules and built 1 real project. For fitness, maybe it's when I can do 50 push-ups without stopping. Make it specific. Make it measurable. Make it impossible to lie to yourself about whether you've actually finished. So here's your move. Pick 1 unfinished project right now. Just 1. Define what done looks like. Set your embarrassingly small daily goal. And commit to the 2-day rule. Not tomorrow, not when you feel inspired, today. Because every single day you don't finish is another day you stay exactly where you are. And you're better than that. Stop starting. Start finishing and watch your entire life change.